Undoubtedly, one of the main technology breakthrough in last few years have been artificial intelligence. Hello everybody, this is Avantik here. Having done consulting and corporate training for around 30 plus companies in technologies mostly focusing in machine learning and big data, there is a perspective I would like to share. Because of artificial intelligence, we have now potential to transform healthcare, agriculture, transport, and eventually lives. To understand machine learning in layman terms, let's zoom into the time when we were kids. How did we learn identifying cats and dogs? Our parents would have showed us dog or a cat, but they didn't tell us anything more. Our brain would have created the complex logic of identifying cat or dog. So our brain is running some learning algorithm, and that, when subjected to data, generates different logic. When this happens in software, we call it machine learning. Organizations are trying to do many things like digitizations of doctors' prescription, self-driving cars, cancer identification. Machine learning has made all this possible. In the startup ecosystem, as for Forbes, more than 10% of VC funds are now going to AI startups. Even well-established organizations having big teams are now working in AI products. Machine learning is not a distant dream, it's happening, be a part of it. Almost every sector is influenced by machine learning. Healthcare, agriculture, fintech, consumer companies, BI organizations. Startup ecosystem are trying to solve many problems which were considered unsolvable. Python has come out to be absolute winner among SAS, R, Julia, Java, etc. as most suited programming language for machine learning. The volume of the data also decides technology stack. Scikit is good for smaller data. Spark is required for large data. If you're dealing with large data, you need infrastructure that is capable of dealing with it. Deep learning is a specialization on top of machine learning which is suited for image, text, videos, etc. TensorFlow, PyTorch are the libraries available for deep learning. So far so good. Everybody wants to do machine learning, but who will do it eventually? It's people like you and me who will do it, right? So that's if you understand it, there are a lot of things to be solved, but there is a really shortage of skill set in this area. Okay, the second challenge the companies face is the infrastructure required to compute. Okay, and the third challenge without which you cannot proceed further is data. The right data being available to the people who want to work on it. Without data, you cannot do machine learning. To conclude the video, I would like to say everybody is required. Everybody can be part of it. Right from freshers to experienced folks. This is the era of machine learning. Be a part of it.